forget to power off and disconnect from the back. Alright guys, let's begin by opening the front door. Now we're going to start by removing the IBT belt cleaner assembly. First you want to turn the lever of the IBT belt cleaner assembly clockwise. Then turn the knob counterclockwise until it is free. Pull the IBT cleaner assembly towards the front. Now we're going to be removing the IBT belt assembly tension lever. Make sure it's in the unlocked position. The screw should be in the inside of the lever. Now we're going to turn the machine to the left side. Now you're going to open up the left door. Alright guys, for convenience and also so you can see well, let's start removing the fuser. Just the two screws, one on the right and one on the left. Left hand door, we're going to remove the left hand door support strap. What you're going to do is just pull the C-clip off and pull the strap off. Now we are removing the right door stopper. Push the door up and rotate 90 degrees and pull out. Now we're removing the IBT frame lock brackets. There are two lock brackets. Pay attention to the orientation of the lock brackets. Now you will pull the gray stopper lever latch on the left side of the belt. Finally, you can begin to slide the IBT belt out by the two plastic brackets and continue with the handles. Lift the IBT belt up if you have to. Now let's install the new IBT belt assembly. Slide the front on the plastic rails. You might have to pick up the back of the belt a little bit. Push the belt all the way to the back until you feel it's locked in position. Push in the stop lever lock to secure the belt in place. Now let's install the IBT frame lock brackets. Make sure they are locked in place properly. Here's a video of a close-up in case you need more reference. Now let's install the right door stopper. Lift the door a little bit, then rotate the stopper